Question 8 reads, in the xy coordinate system, the point square root of 6, k is one of the points of intersection of the graphs y equals x squared minus 7 and y equals negative x squared plus j, where j is a constant. What is the value of j? This is a y equals f of x question. And to solve it, notice that if the square root of 6, k is one of the points of intersection of the graphs, what that means is that the set negative 6 for x and k for y is a solution for both of these equations. So let's sub it in for x and y in both of these equations. I'll start with the first one, y equals x squared minus 7, and plug in negative 6 and k for x and y respectively. So you'll get k is equal to the square root of 6 squared minus 7. For the other equation, y is equal to negative x squared plus j. I'm going to do the same thing because square root of 6, k is a solution to this equation as well. So I'll sub in k for y equals negative square root of 6 squared plus j. So those are our two equations now subbed in with the correct x and y values. And we want to solve for j. Now this k might seem like an annoying complication, but all that k means is that if this is equal to k and this is equal to k, then they must be equal to each other. So we can set these two things equal to each other and not have to worry about k at all. So now you'll get square root of 6 squared minus 7, that's just this, is equal to the negative square root of 6 squared plus j. So I've set these equal to each other. Now we can solve for j. Square root of 6 squared is 6, minus 7 is equal to the negative square root of 6 squared is still 6, plus j. Negative 1 is equal to negative 6 plus j. So if we add 6 to both sides, we get 5 is equal to j. So the correct answer is A, 5.